Welcome guys to our channel. So if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. So today we are going to sketch. Okay, instead of coding we are going to sketch. So जैसे कि थंबनेल पर देखा हुआ है, लाइक आयरन मैन उसका स्केच बनाया हुआ है. इट इज़ लाइक 3 lines of code, जस्ट 3 lines of code. लोगों ने बहुत सारे मॉड्यूल्स बना दिए पाइथन में. तो एक स्केच पाई नाम का भी एक मॉड्यूल है जो डायरेक्टली बना के ही देता है पूरा स्केच. सो मैं वो मॉड्यूल का मैनुअल भी दिखाता हूँ, मतलब पेज दिखाता हूँ पाई का. सो दिस इज़ द मॉड्यूल स्केच पाई and there are the functionality, means they have created the inbuilt sketch. Like this one is for RDJ and there are like VJ, BTS. So these are the things, means they are directly doing the sketch. We don't have to code. So we will run this code. Okay, py control shift plus plus python 3 rdj.py. So okay, this is giving an error. pip3 install. Okay, we are installing this svj package. Oh, it's sexy. I think this is because of this Ubuntu version 22.04. nice upgrade. Okay, so now we will run our code. python 3 rdj.py. okay, oh, it is working. So this is the tinkator thing which gives us the page. भाई जिसने भी बनाया सेक्सी बनाया यार, कूल. ओके, विल चेक फॉर विजय आल्सो. भाई लो, अपना काम ही क्या है, देख लेंगे. विजय, आई डोंट नो अबाउट BTS, सो विल सी अबाउट विजय. Yeah, it's nice thing. Oh bhai, quality. Now we will try my idol Virat. It should be there यार. होना तो चाहिए. ओ नहीं है. So these 3 images are there. I think this model should be defined by the Southman who is fan of Vijay. Okay, so this is the thing, is there. This is the model. If you are interested to deep down this model, you can check. So thank you.